Good morning and welcome to Sapa. We've just gotten a brief hole in the clouds here. It's been pure fog and rain for a while, but it looks like it's passing through. Maybe we might get ourselves a little bit of sunshine. Dang, just look at it. Good morning from Sapa. Today is February 20th, 2025. And there's no real plan for today. I think we're just going to try to walk into the center of town and get our bearing. Maybe catch some coffee and some views and hope for some sunshine. Check it out. These streets are so narrow and there's a million limousine buses running in and out of here all day. It's kind of crazy. We're in the middle of Vietnam. How about Starbucks? You guys think we should get Starbucks? No, I don't think so. So this is actually Sapa Station, Sun Plaza, but there happens to be a Starbucks in here. Oh. You can catch the bus to Hanoi from here. Oh, the year of the snake. Have a look at that. Sapa Center. Definitely Instagram worthy. Dear ladies and gentlemen, we're just out here on the patio having a nice ice coconut coffee. Even though it is a little cold out, I still really love these iced coconut coffees. But you know what time it is? Time to give you a better view. I'm so in love with you. Well, I hope you enjoyed that view. We just left White Cloud Coffee. It was pretty delicious, not gonna lie. I really like it when they shred up the coconut with the ice and you get to eat it with a spoon. But we're gonna walk down here to Cat Village and see if I can get a little bit of content and also check out some nice views. This is one of the perks of walking, is that I was just cruising by and I found this onsen hot spring called the Tonkin Spa. Pamper yourself in nature. And then, I don't know, oh, it smells amazing, like lemongrass. Hello. How much for hot spring? 550. One of the perks of being on foot. Pretty freaking cool out here, folks. I wish it was a little sunnier, but you know what? You get what you get. Just sitting on the hillside. As you're walking down here to Cat Village, there is a handful of shops where you can rent local wares and wear the same attire as the village. It's kind of a steep walk. Grab. You can get a grab. Oh wow. There's some beautiful outfits here. Ching. All right, to get into the Cat Village, you're looking at 150,000 dongs, which is going to be 6 USD. But 25-30 minute walk down the hills, and you'll find the village entrance. Don't walk past it. Thank you. Maybe next time. Here is the Ban Cat Village entrance. Here's my ticket.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. And then you'll just traverse steep, slippery steps down into the village. What do you guys think? I'm a little scared. Oh yeah, this is sturdy. Sturdy as she goes. We're gonna go up inside that friggin' moldy, beautiful tower. It was 10,000 to get in here, which is gonna be 40 cents. And I think what most people come in here for is gonna be this view right here. Hello. Wow. Your turn? I'm gonna go upstairs somehow. Oh yeah. Stand on this hand with a view, huh? I'm so excited. I think the sun might come out today, which, oh, I found another view. I think this place is full of views. Like the best views, like maybe the top views that nobody else could ever imagine. All right, we've got it on POV, folks. This is what I'm seeing. This is what you're seeing. We're at the top of the crow's nest for the panoramic Cat Sapa view. What do you think? Like, subscribe, and comment, obviously. Have you been to the Cat in Sapa? The Cat Village for 10,000 dong? Oh, Thong Cat Za Huang Lin. Check it out. Incense. That's make for a pretty picture. You know, I'm starting to think that people come here to take pictures for the Instagrams. And the Cat Village is accommodating to their perfect customer. Have a look at all the fresh beef jerky and sausage links. I think that one's the best one, the sweet and the spicy. Okay, I think we found one that I'm not gonna get on. This is nifty. Perfect backdrop into the Sapa Hills. Oh, look at this one. I should not do this. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh god. Oh my gosh. No, 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 no. Oh no. No, no. My legs are shaking. I bet, how many tourists a year fall off of this thing, do you think? I only went 6 steps up and there's 10 steps. No, this dog here. Where'd you go? She seems to be escorting me. Thank you. It stops every time there's a motorcycle and gets right by my side and then walks ahead. I have my own personal escort. Here it comes. Where are we going? Where are we going? You gonna lead the way? I've been walking around probably half hour, 45 minutes, and guess who is still with me? She won't leave me. I don't know where she's trying to take me. Maybe she wants a banh mi. I'm feeling obligated to buy her a banh mi at this point. Do you want a banh mi? Huh? Do you want banh mi? Banh mi? Oh, you lost your hot dog. It's good. Thank you for taking me on the guide. Enjoy your hot dog. I see you next time, okay? Thank you for the hot dog. Okay, folks, we are hopping on a moto because this hill's a bit steep.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. And I don't necessarily want to walk all the way up this thing. So I say so too much. Definitely not walking up this sucker today. Beep, beep, beep. Oi! Oi! We're losing visibility up here as we get higher into the mountain. The clouds kind of come in waves where we'll get short bursts of maybe a little sun, but then heavy, heavy clouds. Okay, stop. There we are. As you can see, we made it up to the top of the mountain. Thank you, sir.